All right, let's rewind the clock to the 1600s. Picture this. England is in the middle of the plague, people are dodging disease left and right, and a young guy named Isaac Newton is sent home from university because, well, everything's shut down. Instead of binge-watching TV because, that wasn't a thing yet, Isaac spends his time hanging out in the countryside thinking. A lot. Now, you've probably heard that story about the apple. While it's a bit overdramatic to say the apple Newton on the head, what really happened is just as cool. He saw an apple fall from a tree and started wondering, why do things always fall straight down? Why not sideways or up? That simple question changed our understanding of the universe. Newton realized there had to be a force pulling objects toward the Earth. But then, he took it a step further. What if that same force was keeping the moon in orbit around the Earth? That's a pretty wild leap, but Newton had a knack for connecting dots that no one else even saw. He called this invisible force gravity. But Newton wasn't just guessing. He did the math. He figured out that gravity isn't just something that happens on Earth. It's a universal force. Planets, moons, apples, everything is pulling on everything else all the time. And the bigger something is, or the closer it is to you, the stronger the pull. Newton wrapped all this up in what we now call the law of universal gravitation. Basically, it says that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force that depends on their masses and the distance between them. Yeah, that's a mouthful, but it's the backbone of modern physics. Before Newton, people thought the rules that made an apple fall were different from the ones that made the planets move. Newton showed that the same rules apply everywhere, from your backyard to the farthest star. That's huge. His ideas didn't just stay in the classroom. They explained tides, eclipses, the motion of planets, and even paved the way for rockets and space travel. All because Isaac Newton asked, why does that apple fall? So the next time you see something fall, remember, Newton didn't just discover gravity. He uncovered a secret that connects every object in the universe. And it all started with a curious mind and a falling apple. Stay curious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories.